I'm going to take you on a little ghost journey for Halloween through the ghost legends of the Canals. Are you brave enough to follow along? The Harecastle Tunnel is one of the scariest places on the British waterways. On the Trent and Mersey Canal, the tunnel is almost 2 miles long. It's pitch black inside, it's damp, there's stuff just tip-tapping off of the roof as you go through onto you. It's echoey, a little bit scary anyway. You don't really need ghost stories being told to you before you go through there, but there is a legend that people know, and people have said they've seen a ghost, and that ghost is the apparition of Kitty Crewbucket. She was murdered, and her body was thrown into the canal. Boaters have said that they've heard shrieks, they've been subjected to cold blasts of air, they've even heard footsteps. There's no towpath in there, so those footsteps, they don't belong to humans. Some boaters have even said that they've seen the apparition of Kitty Crewbucket just floating along into the darkness. Further along on the Shropshire Union Canal is the tale of the Monkey Man of Bridge 39. It's said that he's a hairy black creature with red eyes that jumps out on unsuspecting people, usually boaters. The legend goes back to the 1800s when a boater claimed that this creature jumped out onto a horse, which made the horse rear up, and the boater got the whip to try and get rid of the creature, but the whip went straight through, like as if it was just made of air, and the creature just disappeared into the woodland off the side of the towpath. That made the boatman super scared. He fainted, and from that day forth, the legend of the Monkey Man of Bridge 39 has been known to locals and to boaters. And they've said that if you are on the towpath after dark, you can hear claws scraping at the bridge. And not all ghosts are scary. Some try to be helpful. There's the phantom lockkeeper of the Tyrley locks. Also on the Shropshire Union, boaters have been told to keep an eye out for this really helpful lockkeeper, but is a ghost on the Tyrley locks. It's not unknown for gates to close on their own because of the water kind of moving with the way that the water moves, but boaters have said that they've felt like an extra force on the gate, either when they're pushing it to close it, or that the gate just closes really as if somebody is pushing the gate. Some people claim that they have seen the ghost of a lockkeeper, so I do wonder if it was a lockkeeper. Maybe if you're passing through your locks of a night in the darkness, I wonder if you might see the ghost. You might not be working those locks alone. Then there's the phantom soldier, Chester. I wonder what's going on in the Shropshire Union area, because the phantom ghost of Chester is on the Shropshire Union Canal as well. As we know, the history of Chester runs ancient times, Roman times, and the canal runs under the north gate of Chester. People claim to have seen a soldier marching along the walls of the city. A lone Roman centurion is said to just appear out of the walls with a fixed stare and unyielding look on his face. Some people have claimed that he just disappears straight back into the wall, and others say that he strikes the wall with something metal and they can hear it really loudly. Is it the memory of Chester's Roman past seeping through the centuries, or the restless spirit of a soldier whose Roman Empire fell long ago? On the Kennet Avon Canal, boaters say that they can hear the shrieks and cries of a young woman. A woman betrayed by her lover is said to have drowned herself in the canal. Boaters have said at night they can hear sobbing just being carried along the waterways, and a glimpse of a shadowy white figure just drifting along. Some have said that if you follow the cries, you'll never find your way back on the towpath. It's a reminder that the canals don't just carry boats, they carry the memories of people, some that have never left. From ghosts in dark tunnels to tragic maidens along the canals, the legends, they are everlasting and they refuse to fade. So the next time you're walking along the towpath at night and you hear a splash, it might not just be the sound of fish. Thank you for joining me on this Halloween special of the Ghosts and Ghouls of the British Waterway Canal. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, the canals never truly sleep.